what is up, guys? It's the Giggly Goose React channel, and today we're going to be reacting to a 1-second video, the sword draw sound effect. Make sure y'all drop a like, hit the subscribe button. Without further ado, let's start reacting. Pretty good. Let me hear that again. I could say that's pretty accurate. Y'all let me know down in the comments down below if y'all think that is pretty accurate. I have a sword draw sound of yep. Make sure y'all drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and let me know what I should come and react to next. Peace, guys.